break it down, how to start your plan. Get a pencil and pad and write a plan. Once you write the plan down, step by step, step by step, step by step. Then you execute. If you don't mind.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy Pressure Man coming to you with another tutorial. This time it's me explaining how to add a follower goal or subscriber goal to your Twitch stream. So like I said, I don't want to waste none of your time, so we're gonna get straight to it. So go to Streamlabs, the link in the description if you don't want to type it already. So dashboard, it's gonna sign in with your Twitch. If you don't have that sign in, just do that. Go to widgets, and from there, let's choose the follower goal for this example. And you're here. So once you get here, you want to copy that link that they give you into your streaming software. So I'll use OBS, so we're gonna go straight to OBS. Let's get it. So right now we in OBS. So you want to add a browser source. So basically choose your scene, add a browser source for example purposes. Keep it going. Add that link right into the browser source. Once you get that, and you see it pop up in your OBS, boom. Plain and simple. There you go. So just for that, we're gonna continue the tutorial so we can edit this little goal right here. Boom, we got it right here. Let's get it. So with that being said, since I'm streaming on OBS or recording on OBS, it's gonna pop up on this video. So I'm just gonna move it around. But yeah, so that's literally that's it. We're gonna get into the editing part. So you want the title of your goal is Road to 200 followers. The goal amount 200. Starting currently, I got 179 followers. It's been like 2 months of me streaming, so that's pretty decent. What, about 15 subscribers, 19 subscribers, one of those. Pretty decent. So let's see, 03, 1. So start the goal. So go to my goal. I got 179 followers, 1 day to go. You see it pop up on the stream as well. So just like that, that's how simple it is to add the follower goal to your Twitch stream. And there you go. Simple, short, sweet, simple. But like I said in a previous video, if any of my tutorials help you, let me know in the comment section, either by liking or just comment on the video. So that's all I got for today. I appreciate you tuning in. Pressure Man, go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I do stream on a daily and I am growing my channel. So basically I want you that's watching this to go check out my Twitch. It's free, you know, it won't cost you a thing. If I helped you anyway, just help me by go checking out my stream. Maybe hit a follow if you like what you see. If you don't, just keep on going. But like I said, I appreciate you tuning in. If I helped you in any way, hit that like button. If you have anything else that you need or want to know or need help on with your stream and I can help you on that, just send me a message in that comment section and I'll get right to it and we make a video on it and we'll get you squared away. Let's go. It's your boy Pressure.
Put that work in when it's time for it. You can have what you want, you gotta grind for it. You can have what you need, you gotta grind for it. You can have what you want, you gotta grind for it.